In this level, you'll practice on changing between G and E minor. Changing between G and E minor may feel a bit tricky as these chords don't share any finger positions. We recommend that you use your ring finger as a starting finger. So focus on getting your ring finger fretted correctly and let the rest of the fingers follow. However, if you use this alternative grab of the G chord, then you can actually keep the middle finger fretted in the same positions for both chords and just move the other fingers. So, to go from E minor to G, you just move your pinky to the high E string here and your ring finger to the low E string here. Remember to use minimal finger movement. Practice on this change 20 times until you feel your muscle memory guides you.